Hey everybody, and welcome back to our channel. If your Instagram is not showing adding music on your profile, in today's video we are going to fix the issue. So let's just get started. So usually that happens when you have not updated an app to the latest version. So first of all, let's head over and update it. Go over to Play Store application for that if you're specifically on Android, but if on iOS, you can head over to App Store and look out for Instagram. So go to the search in the bottom right corner, tap on it. After that, you can look out for the top, and there just go over and type in Insta. Once you type in Instagram, you should be finding the application Instagram and tap on it. And there you will be finding an option of update instead of open if your application is not updated. So you just need to tap on that and update your application to the latest version and do so. If that doesn't work, what you may do is you can go over and clear the app's cache. So you can close up this for now. And then you may just go over and hold the Instagram application. And from there, go over to the info section at the top and tap on it. Once you tap on it, what you may do is you may just go over and scroll down and find the option for storage and tap on it. Once you tap on storage, you can look out for the option of clear apps cache. Tap on clear cache and you can even clear the data if necessary and try logging in again. And that should also work sometimes. If that doesn't work, you can just go over and check your internet connection. Also, what you can do is you can try uninstalling the application and reinstalling. So for that, hold it up and you should be finding an option of uninstall. Go ahead and confirm it up. Once you confirm it up, you should be finding the application being removed and you can go over and install the latest version again, and that should fix the add music to profile. If that doesn't work, you can just go over and contact the support team of Instagram itself. That should probably work for you. So that is it, everybody. You may follow up this process for that. Do not forget to give this video a like and also subscribe for more tips and tutorials.